Welcome to On the Road Cam, your ultimate destination for heart-pounding police chases, intense highway pursuits, and real-life action caught on camera. From high-speed getaways to precision stops, we bring you the most thrilling moments on the road. Buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and join us for the ride.
The K9 unit showcased its exceptional training, immediately jumping into the vehicle to assist the team in subduing the barricaded suspect. The dramatic chase erupted when two suspects carried out a bold theft, fleeing at 70 miles per hour through a residential area. They caused £14,000 in damage and injured an officer.
I'm out Tottington towards Walsall. They've got out and attacked my vehicle, CK. They've got out and attacked me. Stand by. I need assistance. They've attacked me and my vehicle. Stand by. 66 miles an hour on Surton Road. It is a national speed limit road, and it's going to come out at the India Gate restaurant on the top road that goes between Bradshaw and Ramsbottom. These males are armed. The ankles males are armed. They do have at least axes and hammers with them. Roger. Get it to Harwood Road near Four Lane Ends at the top of Rollingwood Road.
The police stopped the vehicle and the suspect raised their hands in surrender. But it was too late. Their reckless actions resulted in a harsh sentence, serving as a lesson to those who challenge the law. The chase became tense as the suspect drove recklessly on an empty road, speeding at a dizzying pace. His reckless actions grew even more dangerous with signs of alcohol and drug use.
Nou, ik begrijp ook wat voor politiek nog steeds doorgeven.
Ik zat het gewoon direct erop.
Ik zie niks met die
Rechtsaf, rechtsaf. Oeh!
Ja, ik heb het gezien. Ik ga mee, hè?
Ja.
4205. We sluiten ook aan.
Stel hem vast.
The vehicle lost control, hit the guardrail, and the suspect fled into the woods, only to be quickly caught by police. He was not only drunk but also positive for cocaine, adding to the tension. The French-plated car crossed the border and suddenly accelerated when spotted, driving into a residential area despite the danger. With four suspects in the vehicle, the situation became even more tense and difficult to control. The police used the patrol car to block the vehicle after lighter measures failed. 4 suspects were arrested, and the driver tested positive for drugs, bringing the bold escape to an end. The chase was intense as the suspects swerved boldly, recklessly crossing the highway. The stolen car had fake plates, making the situation even more dangerous and difficult to control. Voertuig verband in de berm. Moment. Voertuig geramd. Voertuig gaat er even door. Ga richting België, voor richting Duitsland. Artikel 5. Ja, kijk naar artikel 5. Afbetekent de nader Tilburg ik weet wel 9. Het geeft de afrit dubbel wordt 100. voertuig, guys. Pas uit het voertuig. Ja.
Ja, beneden als het goed is. Ja, is de zoek misschien in de buurt?
The suspect abandoned the car and ran through the wilderness in a desperate attempt, but was quickly captured. After receiving treatment for minor injuries, he faced a series of serious charges, and the vehicle was recovered. On the highway, the suspect's unlicensed car sped at 75 miles per hour, making reckless turns and evading the closely following police, making the chase even more intense.
About to go southbound.
Careful.
Black car. What's the lights on? Looks like it's going
There you go, direct.
Careful.
Okay, stay 1063 for your team call, 1063 for team call, all traffic.
We're still southbound. Black number, no tags. Speed 75. White out. Turn it on Fox. Turn it on Fox. Making a right on Southbrook.
Get it into the
We just did it right here.
A perfect pit maneuver caused the car to lose control. The suspect fled on foot, tossing a black bag over a fence, but the K9 unit quickly pursued, recovered the evidence, and secured the arrest, leaving him to face a harsh sentence. The green Nissan Maxima sped at over 120 miles per hour, weaving between vehicles. The suspect continuously changed directions, making the chase even more tense and dangerous.
Right here behind us. You're good to catch up.
Go ahead.
Right here, Billy. Go ahead. 277 eastbound, in out of traffic, right below shoulder out. Just up 100 yards behind her. Wait till we get out of some of this traffic. She almost hit an officer in the rear end. Once we get out of some of these traffic curves, she right down.
Right there.
Dave, she regained it. She had the guardrail and regained it. So we get out of some of this traffic, we get stopped.
Regain.
Three, I got a little bit of traffic. I'm trying not to rear end anybody with the car. Alright, we're getting up here. I'll pick it up. now. Get some of this traffic out of my way. And I'll let you know where we're going to live. 40, 40.
40 split.
Break down.
Right down.
23 starting back into. The vehicle lost control, crashed into a concrete wall and came to a stop. 3 suspects were arrested with stolen goods, drugs, and firearms. Will they have the courage to face the harsh sentence?